So, good day, Miss. My name is Angel Dioso from BSP 1B, and today I will be discussing about the chapter 8, the assignment in chapter 8, which is selling. So, what is selling, and what is the importance of selling? Selling is the process of offering goods or services to customers in exchange for money. It involves convincing customers to buy a product that satisfies their needs or wants. The importance of selling is generates income. Selling is the main source of revenue for businesses, connects producers and consumers. It helps deliver products to people and and who need them, and promotes business growth. More sales mean higher profit and expansion, builds customer relationships. Good selling creates loyal customers and helps the economy. Selling supports trade, employment, and economic activity. And second is, how do you formulate your selling price? The selling price is the amount customers pay for a product. The formula is selling price equals cost plus markup. Things to consider in setting in the selling price: cost of the product, how much it costs to purchase the product; operating expenses, rent, electricity, salary, transportations, and etc. And desired profit, the amount the business wants to earn; competition, price of similar products in the market; demand, if many people want the product, price may increase; target customers, their ability to pay. So third is, what is markup and markdown? Markup is the amount added to the cost of product to determine the selling price. Formula of it is markup equals selling price minus cost. The purpose is to cover expenses and to earn markdown. Markdown is the reduction of the selling price of a product. The formula of it equals markdown equals original selling price minus new selling price. So when to mark down? You mark down when items are not selling well, when there is sale or promotion, when products are old or out of season, and when clearing inventory. And fourth is sample problems. The sample problems with the formula and solutions. So first is markup based on cost. Markup equals cost times markup rate. So the example problem of it is, a store bought a bag for 500 pesos. The markup rate is 40% of cost. The solution of it is markup equals 500 times 40%. Markup equals 500 times 0.40. So the markup equals 200, and selling price equals cost plus markup. So the selling price is 500 plus 200. So the selling price of it is 700. So B, markup based on selling price. The formula is markup equals selling price times markup rate. So the example of the problem is, a product has a selling price of 800 pesos with 25% markup based on selling price. So the solution is markup equals 800 times 25%. So, or in decimals, markup equals 800 times 0.25%. So the markup is equals 200 pesos. The cost equals selling price minus markup. So the cost is 800 minus 200, it will become 600. So C, markdown problems. Markdown with profit. Original price is 1,000 and the cost is 600. So new price is 800. So the markdown equals 1,000 minus 200 equals the markdown is 1,000 minus 800. So the markdown is equals to 200. So profit selling price minus cost equals profit minus 600. The profit will become 200 pesos. And second is markdown with operating loss. Cost equals 700. Original price is 900 and the new price is 650. So the markdown from 900 minus 650, so the markdown will become 250 pesos. Lost cost minus selling price. Loss equals 700 minus 650. The loss is equals to 50 pesos. So this will happen only when considering expenses. And third is markdown with absolute loss. Cost equals 500, the original price equals 750, and the new price is 400. The markdown is equals to 700 minus 40, it will become 350. So the loss equals cost minus selling price equals the loss equals 500 minus 400 equals to 100. And that's all, miss, and thank you.